See what we're doing here? Filling the dishwasher.
The dishwasher is being.
It's a good thing to do.
What time is it? What time is it?
It's about 3 in the morning.
It's 3. It's 5 to 3. We're filling the dishwasher and then we're going to go home. Because that's what we do.
Keep going then.
You know what, buddy? Mum.
Nick, get off your phone.
Get off your phone.
What are you doing? Fill the dishwasher.
Let's just do it. Bang.
What's that? It's a can of bloody Foster's.
Oh, that's what I call a good call. That's what I call. These wine glasses, they've got to take special care. Like we can't just throw them in the Losing battle. Let's put it on. Let's stick it in and put it on. Whatever we can. That one's fallen. Fallen foul. Don't want to. I'm sorry. That's it.
Have you put a tab in?
Tab in. Done this before. Don't worry, guys. Oh shit.
He's done that before.
Done it before.
Put another one in. It's gone. It's gone, Dan. Leave it.
It's there. Got it.
Wait, what about the rinsing?
What about the rinsing sound? What about the rinse? There we go. Beautiful. Teamwork.
Wait.
On. Normal wash. That's going to take ages, but who cares?
Yeah. But
We're not around to suffer that. Dishwasher. Done. Alright? Never let it be said that we're not good boys.
Don't leave me hanging.